Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of the Z60 Smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Josh Chick here and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video we're going to have the unboxing of the Z60 Smartwatch. So we actually purchased this one online. So I'll just give you the overview of this smartwatch. So this is not the same as the other smartwatch that we had. So it has the GSM SIM card slot. Yes, so it means you can send a message through this smartwatch. And it has also compatible to Android, and it has the CPU, which is the MTK 626 1D, and the memory, it has 64 megabytes of RAM and 128 megabytes of room. So it also supports Bluetooth, and the camera resolution is 2 megapixels, and also the battery is 350 milliamp lithium polymer battery. And it also said here that it is capable of phone call and also hand-free calls, call records, and so on and so forth. I think that's all guys, so let's unbox it. So I got this one for around 460 pesos. That's almost that's almost $10. Yes, so this is our watch here in kind of gold color. Okay, let's just set this aside. And then inside the box, so we also have here the battery. So this is the battery guys, and the micro USB cable, yeah, which is for charging, I believe, and the manual. So the manual is in Chinese and English. So for some people who don't know how to use this smartwatch, just look at the manual guys for more detailed instructions. Alright, so now let's have here our watch. Tadan guys. So this is a little bit heavy. Yes, so I think it's made of metal, so it feels kind of cheap guys, so I'm so sorry to say, and I'm not so sure of the durability of its materials. Yes, and upon the first glance guys, so you can really notice the bezels. Yes guys, the bezels are very obvious and they are very thick, and on top you can see here the camera. There's a small hole there, and on the side, so you can see the on the right, so you can see the power button, I think. So this is, and it has like some kind of the crown. I'm not sure if it's really working guys. And on the left, so you have your micro USB port for charging. Yes, and maybe also for data transfer. And it has also like speaker here, and on top there's also, I believe this is the microphone. Yes, and I think the build guys, it's made of metal because it's heavy. And at the back guys, there's nothing here, and I think this is just a cover. So let's try to open our smartwatch, and let's put our battery. This is guys is good for people who want to have a smartwatch and a cell phone all together, because I have also received some questions on my channel, and then they said like, can they also use this one for sending messages or phone calls, and also camera. And I never reviewed any smartwatches like this in my channel. So maybe I uploaded that one maybe like 3 years ago. There is this slot in here, and this is also the area where we can put our SIM card. So I think that is pretty it guys. So let's put our battery. And after
after that, and let's put it back.
And now let's try to turn it on. Alright guys, upon turning on the smartwatch, there is a sound, yes. And here is our home screen guys of our smartwatch. And as you can see here, there's the menu and also the names. So let's so we have here the WhatsApp here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly. So I'm not sure if it's really working guys. So let's try to press it. And please insert valid SIM card. And we will going to test that one. We're going to test that one later on. There's also Twitter and Facebook. And also the QR code. And they also have the timer, and they also have the reminder or the alarm if I'm not mistaken. And we also have here calculator, so you can try to use this one. This is pretty like a small phone guys. And you also have here the, I think this is a sound, so if you have the SD card, so you can put some music in it. And the contacts of, yes. And we also have here the calendar, so you can see here. And the alarm clock, the setting. So we have here the phone settings, profile, connectivity. And okay, let's try to test the camera. So as you can see guys, the camera is working and it's pretty, and I'm not sure, of course it's just, you know, a $10 smartwatch, so what can you expect? And then the Bluetooth here, and also yeah, I think that's it guys. So we're going to have the review about this one next. If you have any questions about this smartwatch guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on my next video.